I'm back with you again with another video. 35 flyers printed and mailed out. We all looking for something to do at home. We are losing our job every day. All the 9 to 5 workers out there. You need something to do. Folding flyers, that's where it's at today. Get money in the mailbox today. All you do is fold this flyer and make money. Very easy and simple. On this day, 07/14/2025, brought to you by Mailbox Benjamin, another new opportunity, title or subject line, 3,500 flyers printed and mailed out today and get paid for it. All you do is mail out flyers. I don't know what y'all waiting for. Who are you waiting on? We all looking for something to do. Here it is. Offering stamps and leads too with this business. Mr. Martin Buckley, he's the owner of this business. His printing company, his marketing company is Marketing Advantage. Marketing Advantage with his phone number and email, PO box address. You can send your payment to those addresses and go from there. Cheap to get started. We know we can afford $200 and print out flyers. We have to support each other. Yes, indeed, we have to support each other. Non-believers out there, depending on your job, supporting your job because you're chasing the same dollar bills. Once you work for your own self and create your own business, it's a must, it's not given. Create your own business. I know it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy at all. I understand, but it's doable. If you can work a 9 to 5 job, you can make your own income from home by you working for yourself. Yes, indeed. By you working for yourself, it's easy to work for yourself, and you have peace of mind. True story. All you do is fold flyers. Very simple, easy job to do. Work from home. Even your grandbabies can't help you. Your kids can't help you. Your husband, your boyfriend can't help you if you want to keep them off the street. True story. Y'all say there's no work out here. There's a lot of work out there. It's called offline marketing. All you do is float flyers, put in postcard in the mailbox, and get paid for it. We get junk mail every day in the mailbox by other companies promoting their opportunity in front of your eyeball to say, please take a look at my businesses. Take a look at my services like I got to offer. Window service, roof service, cleaning service. They are putting postcard and flyer in the mailbox. They are selling you something by them not talking to you at all. Offline marketing is talking to you through the company. If you're interested, you're going to call that number and go from there. Very simple and easy. It won't hurt the pocket. All we got to do is fold flyers while you're watching your favorite show. That's all you do. Very simple and easy, and get stamps and sit down and collect your money. True story. You can work 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. It depends how you want to make money offline marketing. True story. People say, I'm looking for something to do. I'm bored. I ain't got nothing to do. Here it is. 3,500 flyers printed and mailed. Get paid. Those 3 components right there. Mail it out. Get paid for it. $50 adds up. You know that. I know we got a printer at home. You can print your flyers and send out email blasts. And go from there. Yes, indeed. You can send out email blasts and go from there and get paid. Non-skeptical, non-business owner out there and saying everything is a scam. Your job is a scam. You work to pay bills. You go to sleep, you work to pay bills. Everybody chasing the same $1 bill, $5 bill, $50 bill, $100 bill. $200 bill. We chasing the same money, but why not work for yourself and create your own income? Do what you love to do, is not what you like to do. Yes, indeed. Do what you love to do, is not what you like to do. That's another subject line. Do what you love to do, not what you like to do. What you love to do, you will be a good creator. You will make it happen. I believe in everybody out there to make their self available to be the best people they can be. True story. I believe in everybody. All you gotta do is take that chance and go from there. It's no brainer. Take that chance and go from there. Yes, indeed. Yeah, this is a flyer program through marketing at Advantage. Owner name, Martin Buckley. I've done a lot of business with him all over the years. Pandemic time and whatnot. I believe in his businesses. All we need is potential flyer inserter workers at this time. Envelope, stamps, leads, stuff the envelope. Find your nearest new blue box. Here the flyer is telling you a story. I don't have to explain myself. This flyer explains everything what you need to do. All the components you need to do is do what this flyer asks you to do. That's the question. And you make money. It's no brainer. And you make money. All right, I'll come back with you again with another video. Thank you.